Welcome back to Sound Sketchy, the show where we take characters from concept to creation. I'm Jeffrey, a voice actor and artist. What we do on this channel is take a random prompt and turn it into a character with a visual design, voice, and personality. Let's get started with our prompt, which is an imperturbable, spangly photographer. I'm going to need a dictionary? I'm going to need a dictionary definition for this one. Imperturbable. Unable to be upset or excited. Calm. Okay, that makes sense. So, perturbed. So, imperturbable. So, first things first. If I'm thinking imperturbable, meaning very hard to make upset and spangly, and photographer, I'm thinking Polaroids, I'm thinking 70s, I'm thinking platform shoes, I'm thinking disco. So let's go. Oh no. How many more things can I make rhyme? I don't know. And we're going to stop after that because I need to focus on this. So, we're going to get our disco dude with the camera. And let's get... How much room would a Polaroid take up? I think that seems about right. So... And we're definitely going to shorthand this a little bit. Now, from what I can remember from Polaroid cameras, because I had one growing up in the 90s, I know, 19th century, and I remember liking it a lot, and I used it a lot. Photography was not my vocation. Let's just leave it at that. There was the central... But these old Polaroids were pretty cool. They could become pretty compact. So let's do this, and we'll do some cool shades. And people are honking outside. Don't hate on my disco. And we'll put the other bit of the star-shaped sunglasses here. Now I'll need a name for our friend here. Let's name him... let's see. Maybe I want to give this guy a nice stash instead. Yeah. So let's name this guy. Would Marcus work? I kind of want to go with Marcus. And Marcus is a photographer. It's Marcus's story. Marcus is a photographer and an activist. Or he could be a secret agent. That's a pretty popular trope, right? He's some sort of detective or secret agent, and his undercover persona is this disco dude. Yeah, let's go with that. So he is a detective who is quite spangly. You know, I need a much lower neckline. Yes! Okay, now we're talking. Because we gotta show off this fabulous chest hair. Alright, so Marcus, our spangly, crime stopping, crime fighting, disco dancing, camera wielding, secret agents. Maybe that's a little too much. Nothing's too much for me, baby. You gotta get up pretty early in the morning if you want to be Marcus. That's right. Hey, baby, what's your sign? Hey, baby, what's your sign? I'm an Aquarius. I'm a Taurus. I'm stubborn. I'm stubborn to a fault, baby. Let's see, so we gotta make this hand just a little bigger to match. That's better. Happier with that. And here we go. That doesn't look super roller to me. Here we go. Let's do this. Heck yeah. I think this needs to be even more parachuty. Bigger bell bottoms. Okay, here we go. I might need to resize Marcus a little bit. So, Marcus, let's just go with that super deep, super rich voice, baby. And I'm gonna need maybe some tassels on this. No, we're not doing ice skates. I'm not an ice skater, baby. No, baby. I'm a rollerblader. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, peace and love, baby. Law and order, that is my jam. Okay, so we've got our cool guy, Marcus. We've got our scenario. I think that's plenty to go off of, so we'll go with a deeper voice. We'll go with that smooth, cool vibe, baby. Groovy cat. All right. Marvy, fab, far out. And I'm here on business. Is it business or pleasure, baby? What's the scoop? Do. We gotta get a disco ball in here. Okay. Here we go. And with that, we are done with Marcus. And we're gonna now head to the interview portion and get to know Marcus a little bit better. If you can dig it, throw a like and subscribe on this video. It really helps this channel grow. And without any further ado, let's start the interview. Well, that was quite the entrance. Welcome to the show, Marcus.
Hey, baby, what's good?
Or do you prefer Detective Marcus?
Just call me Marcus. Funky Marcus, if you're feeling funky.
This should be a groovy interview.
All right, Marcus, you are a detective, photographer, and disco dancer. Seems like quite the eccentric combination of professions. Why not just settle on one of those? Some things you don't provide a logical explanation for. You just feel out the vibes. This is what I've been called to do. I don't question it. I just try to live to the max every day. You dig? I dig. What I seem to be picking up on is you feel compelled to live all these lives. Right, man? We ain't trying to put a label on it. We're just living our lives. Keep it copacetic, you know what I mean? I do. So why the flashy outfit? I happen to think it's pretty clever myself. You see, nobody expects the roller skates to be a gumshoe. Hiding in plain sight, baby. Also, the rhinestones are a great defense mechanism. Anytime I flash that camera, baby, ooh, all they see is stars, including yours truly. Very cool. Is there anybody that's ever gotten away from you? Any unsolved cases? There was one. Foxy Roxy. Now that was one bad woman.
What happened?
What else? We fell in love.
No.
You better believe it. Oh, she was far out. Let me give you the skinny. Foxy Roxy and I first met on the dance floor. Of course, she had no idea who I really was, and I didn't have any idea who she really was. Turns out, she had a appreciation for the shinier things in life, including prized jewels. We were dance partners. I was hired as the photographer, and we were both hired as the entertainment for a crown jewel on temporary display from France. Somebody hit the lights. Before I knew it, Roxy was gone, along with the diamond. We searched for months. Not a trace of her or the diamond. She was gone and out of my life forever.
Man, that's really sad.
Man, don't be tripping. It's a part of life. You fall in love with a girl. Turns out she's a thief. You're a detective. She escapes with a diamond, and you lose your job and reputation. Tale as old as time.
It's actually quite a unique story, Marcus. Shall we change the subject? What are you doing these days? I mean, disco's dead.
Man, keep on stepping. Disco isn't dead, it's just hibernating.
Well, you know what, Marcus? I gotta tell you, it's been really nice having you on the show. The last few guests I've had, no disrespect to them, have been a lot. So it's nice to have you and your good vibes on the show.
Well, thank you very much for sharing that. I appreciate it. Oh, excuse me a second. I'm sorry, man. I'm gonna have to cut this interview short.
What's going on?
I've got a call for a perp that's wandering around this area. I'm gonna have to go take care of it.
Wow. Gosh, I don't know what to say.
What a time to be caught without my partner.
What happened to your partner?
He died 20 years ago.
Oh, geez, I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm good at working alone, but I think I might need some backup on this one. How good are you with roller skates?
Terrible.
I still don't think this is a good idea. Shh. Quiet, man. You're harshing the vibe. All right, this is it. You ready with that disco ball like I told you?
Yeah, ready.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Freeze, sucker. It can't be. Roxy? Is that you, baby? Shut up, sugar. How you doing? You looking fine. I don't know what to say.
How about you let your lips do the talking?
Come here.
Marcus? Okay, it looks like you got it figured out and you don't need me anymore. I'm gonna go. Oh, I'm gonna go. Oh, my eyes can never unsee that.
So bad.
And that's it for this episode. Remember to like and subscribe. If you want to support the show, you can make a donation to the coffee. Link is in the description below, where you can also commission for a sketch or a sound, meaning you can have me draw something or voice something for you. And if you want more, you can check out my other videos. As always, I encourage you to draw your own conclusions. Catch you on the flip side.